these down, putting them back. Wipe them down, put them back over there. Cheese, put that on top of there. Onion, I need to put this in a Ziploc bag. See, that's why the refrigerator stink too. Sometimes I be lazy and don't put that in a container like I supposed to. Yeah, if you can, don't always wrap up your stuff. I do got some clean wrap though. See, I can close that down. And then that's clean. Then we got this over here. I had the ricotta cheese over there and stuff. Let's see. I had put it down in this. This is deli meat. I don't know. This don't look too hot. I go by the smell. We be forgetting this stuff up in here. Yeah, that ain't no good. We're gonna throw this out. Mustard. And we can take these out of here. This is not all that other stuff. Put the rest of that butter up here. Throw that box away. So I'm gonna be going shopping. Wipe this bottle off. There ain't nothing but a smidgen of ranch in here. But I ain't gonna throw it away. Put that right there. So see how clean? I mean, you can even see on the surface just clean. You can just see on the surface just really clean. Really, really clean. This is my Cleaning with Chrissy segment. Some people like to watch people clean. I think with pickle juice is good to have. As far as putting it in certain recipes, but I think I forget to use it, as I forget I have it. I think I got a little bit of turkey meat left. I like the fresh turkey meat; it holds up better than the other kind of turkey meat. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. Could do that. So that way when I put it back in there, it's already wiped down. I didn't do my, just dipping it in the soapy water. And then we need some more jelly. I need some more mayonnaise, y'all. Certain things you really go through fast, more faster than others. We like our barbecue too to dip with, and we'll make barbecue chicken and stuff like that. See, those already been wiped off. We got a little smidgen of stuff in here. Probably keep it and go ahead and use that the next time I'm making some nachos or something. Buttermilk. I want to make a salad. I might make me a salad tonight. Keep it nice and light. As I was going to juice tonight. I don't know. It all depends on how I feel. I might wait to do it in the morning. I don't know. I can make one juice. I may not make a whole lot of juices like I was planning to. I'm gonna go ahead just to demonstrate y'all this again. Dip it in my water. And then we're gonna turn it on, y'all. I'm gonna do 2 times this time. This just soap and water, nothing else. Soap and water. Available now in my TikTok shop. And this does have other attachments. They have an attachment that you can use for your car. It have an attachment that you can use for the floor. Got a scrubby Brillo pad like attachment. It has 3 other attachments that'll make it long where you can use it to get up in high areas. See that? So many good uses you can use out of this. And it has a corner brush too, a brush that kind of got like a peak on it. I just don't feel like using my corner brush. It comes with a net bag where you can hold all those attachments in. Okay, go turn that off. Then we're gonna come behind it with this paste. Come behind it with the paste. Well, out the way, Tuxie. Then, of course, we're going to come behind it with the spray. With the hydrogen peroxide spray. This is a natural clean that we're doing. Absolutely no chemicals whatsoever. This is the first time I clean like this because I be looking for those chemicals. But it's like as I get older, I'm trying to get wiser, and I'm doing things better. I'm learning how to do things better. I'm living and I'm learning, y'all. I'm living and I'm learning. I can't. It smells so incredible. Just this little part I've done already. Just doing this, it just smells so fresh and clean. And I bet it's gonna make a difference of how my food that I get out this refrigerator tastes and everything. Natural is the way to go. And then we're gonna come behind it with a paper towel. And make it nice and dry. Nice and sterilized and dry. And there it is. And then we a lot of these bottles I have already wiped down. Yep, just dry it out. Yeah, probably every 2 weeks is probably a good idea to clean your refrigerator. You might not have to clean it that often if it didn't get dirty, you know. But it's just good to just clean as you go. And there you go. Nice and clean, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna load our condiments back up here. Pickle relish, they go back up here. Oh, my pickle relish. Forgot about that. I had it over here in a chair. A pickle juice. I almost want to throw that out. I might find a smaller container to put that in. And then this is, I bet I'm going to put that in a smaller container too. Because I got some little small container, or I probably combine. That's how you can do too, combine. So you won't be, there's barely any ketchup in here. I gotta wipe that ketchup bottle down. Then this turkey meat, I'm gonna put that up there. Leftover flour. And we'll put that right here too as well, since there's nothing over here. Yep, I put my leftover flour in my little turkey meat. Already we Look at all this stuff I done thrown away already, y'all. You won't believe it. Look at all this stuff. See, Icebox bound to stink with all that trash and garbage in it. With all that trash and garbage in it, can't help us stink. And that's just the side of the refrigerator. That's just the side of the refrigerator. I didn't even get to the good part. The good part, the middle part with all that junk over there. To my left. So what I'm gonna combine, even though these two different kind of salsa, but salsa is salsa, I'm gonna put this together. We're not gonna have all these different containers and stuff. Because we don't have room. When you have a little refrigerator, you don't have room for all that. I'm combining my salsa over here on the slide. Come on, salsa, slide on down. Look at that. I'm sliding my salsa down. And, you know, much better to have one container than two containers. When you got a little itty bitty refrigerator like I do. I'm gonna wipe this down. Put that on the door. Let's see, I'm gonna be buying some new stuff. And then y'all, if y'all don't have y'all packages open yet, don't put it in the refrigerator. Put it up in the pantry, y'all. Cause my daughter, she'll, you know, just because we just went to the store and she know we're gonna eventually use it, she'll put you know, here we are still working on the last bottle, and she put the new bottle in there. I said, nah, put the new bottle up in the cabinet somewhere. So we got about all of it out of there. Put this top back on. We're going to rinse it out, put that in the recyclable bin over here. Need to clean my little rim off over here on this jar. See, this is a good time to get your rims and stuff clean on your drawer. Clean your rims off on your drawers and stuff. And there you go. Turn that like that. Whoa. I get it. Yep, and there we go. All nice and clean. I mean, that look 1,000% better, boy. 8,000% better. Oh, I gotta get the bottom, y'all. I might have to pause, y'all. I'm gonna have to get up from here so I can really get it down there. All right, now I'm clearing out the top part of the refrigerator. I got the eggs on the chair behind me. This is some strange Sprite. I have not tried this yet. Winter Spice Cranberry. They say it's not bad. I put my bread in the refrigerator, y'all. Now see, we got 2 sauces, and that shouldn't be for real. Uh-oh, see, it's so... I'm gonna put this ketchup up there. Oh, I could have put that salsa. Let's see. That's fine. Uh-oh, sorry. Just shaking it. That gimbal strong though, boy. It be holding it. It be holding this thing up here. Let's see. Now I wanna. Let's see. I put this milk behind me, cause I need to get up in here. Let's see this food. Put this to the side. So I need to get up in here. Get ready to wet that. So we gonna scrub that mug We're gonna scrub all in there. And we're gonna get ready to paste it up in there too as well. So I'm finna go in deep. These are greens in this bowl. I probably should get rid of them because they got onions in it, and I've had it for about a week, about a couple of weeks now. To tell you the truth, I don't think nothing's gonna come out of there as far as that whipped cream. I think I'm gonna throw that away too. And this is some. Oh, that's that cheesecake. Oh, the cheesecake got a little bit of that left. I want to make some more. I wanted to make the Oreo, but I had some other stuff to buy. Go ahead and wipe that down. Put that in there. Greens, we're going to just safely put them on the floor. I'm probably going to end up getting rid of those. And we're going to rub it out, y'all. Put some more soap. Sealing. Putting all that old stuff off of there. All right. Go get this paste. Paste it down. I need to scoot up in here some more. I wish this ice box would open up some more. That's fine. Went all high in there. Woo! Floor getting wet. That's one thing I hate about cleaning the refrigerator. Floor get all wet and slippery and stuff. And I have to be careful. Let's see. Spray. Don't spray it, y'all. See it? Oh, see. Don't spray it. This trigger kind of. Need to really give me some more water. I'm gonna change that water out. Let me wipe it down, y'all. Wipes it down, y'all. Deodorize, naturally deodorize everything. Yeah, bud. Looks good. Look at that. Look at that. And see, that's how I clean my, ouch, ooh, feet. Don't come over here, Tuxie. Don't even think about it. All this stuff over here, you like to wait till it's real crowded and stuff. You be seeing I'm distracted and see I'm trying to get stuff done. And then he over here want to get to meddling and bothering stuff. His problem is he think everything is playtime and everything is not playtime. Mama be trying to take her to straight up business. I'm trying to film content. I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to clean. He wants to play. That's his nickname, Tuxie. Tuxie play all day. He wanna play all day, honey, y'all. Yep. Nice and clean. Cleaning in the board of health, y'all. That's how you clean it. That's how you clean it. I'm gonna have to go up underneath that glass too. I mean, it smells so clean. So clean, y'all. I can't describe how clean it smells. And again, get down, Tuxie. Ain't nothing in here for you to eat. Take your rag and wipe down where it was sitting at. So it won't be, the same smells. Won't try to come back in the refrigerator and stuff. Always try to do what you can to keep them on nasty smells out your refrigerator. Wipe your bottles down. Milk. Gonna assemble my fruits and vegetables that I want to juice. water bottle. And see, it don't be bad once you get started. The hard part be getting started, y'all. Now see, I see a juice bottle down here. A juice bottle, so I'm gonna wipe it down. Because I'd rather have my juices and stuff up there. My containers, you know. So wipe them down. If you see room up there, just wipe them down and put them in their place or whatever. Get your butt down. Don't come over here trying to get into the refrigerator. You losing your mind? We'll climb up in my refrigerator. Tuxie knows no bounds. He just don't care. He knows no bounds. I'm trying my best to teach him boundaries. But this little boy ain't trying to learn. I put my bread in the refrigerator. I gotta just put that on top of there. And then these can go right there. And see, that look much better. See how that look? Much better. Now that's how it look. You see, you can see the get out of here. Ain't nothing in here for you. Quit coming up in here. Oh goodness. And then people be wondering why I put him up. Why you got the cat? Why you got the cat in the cage? Because he getting on my nerves and getting into stuff. Stop. You want me to take this shoe off? My daughter got that bad putting half bottles, partial bottles in here, and she knows she's not gonna drink this stuff. When she put it in here, she knows she's not gonna drink it. We gonna make some candy later on. I'm so excited. Then we'll put that on the door there, so I can just reach it and have it right there. And green onions. Let's see what about that thing. Put all this stuff down in here. So you need to see that I need some meal bad. My mayonnaise almost gone. And she keep on put. See, that's what I'm saying. Whole things of salsa. That's finna go in the cabinet. This yogurt may not be no more good. It smells good though. Let me see when it's up. I want to say January this year, but it smells like it's still good. We got all kind of bottles of salsa in here. See, that's what be taking up all the room. Whoa. This is extra packaging that we don't need. Hot sauce. Somehow this top got lost on here. Got some Velveeta up in here. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I think we're going to use this lemon right here. And y'all see that? Oh, okay. We're going to use this lemon right here. And we're going to put some in there. We're going to put some cloves in there. And we just going to leave it in there. Lemons are very, see, you done left dried vegetables in here. It's like if you know you're not going to eat something, just go ahead on and throw it away. It's like don't leave stuff up in stuff. This onion went bad. That's another thing that she left the salad up in here. They've been up in here for a month of Sundays. This one went bad. Done got wet and stuff. This salad. This is salad. That's my fault. I've been wanting to eat me some salad too. And see, we gonna get ready to go to the store though, so I ain't even worried about it. This all the little yogurt we got left. See all these big old containers that's taking up room unnecessarily. Uh-oh. So let's go clean out the other nets. Clean out the other section. Get that cleaned out. Whew. I need it. Whew. There's nowhere to put nothing. It's so crowded. You guys should see how it look over here. It's so crowded. I don't know if I put my towel back in there. No, I don't know what I did with my towel. I said I was going to make some more water. I don't even feel like getting up. I think I'm going to go ahead and clear out this other section too. Might as well. Clean out that other section. I might put this in a Ziploc bag so it can be more presentable. I try to keep Ziploc bags. Yeah, the kiwis and stuff. I'll probably be able to just juice my stuff in the back of this. I'm gonna take that off of there. Ooh, it's nasty down here. Yeah, I need to take that off of there so I can really clean down in here. Y'all don't really see this, the power of this thing. See, I don't buy margarine. Her fiance made the mistake of buying some margarine. And to show you just how dedicated I am to butter, it's been sitting up in there for months. I do not. These some lemons. I'm throwing away because they've been sitting up there a while. Grapes. They got pushed back there. Let's see. I need some long extended arms. Let's see. Try to use this Velveeta. That stuff gets stuck in the back of the refrigerator. Nice cold water bottle. They can come up to the forefront. Yep. So we're gonna yeah, we definitely need to do another. This is really dirty. So yeah, we definitely need to do some more hot water before we do this one. Okay, so I gotta push all this stuff back. Let's see. This is food I gotta put back in there. Okay, I'm gonna pause you guys. All right, we're gonna pick up where we left off. Had to take a bathroom break, you guys. And I'm dipping in the fresh hot water, soapy water. And I'm just going. I got me a towel down the floor so I can be safe because it gets so slick and stuff around here than these floors. These are laminate floors and stuff, so it gets real slick. On the other side. Not extremely nasty or nothing like that. I try to make sure I keep my stuff clean. I try to be on this So that was hot soapy water that I scrubbed it with, and I'm wiping it down with additional hot soapy water. Just want to make sure that we got all the surfaces. It has some dried up lettuce over here and different stuff like that. Then we're going to take this paste. Get down, knucklehead. He's so nosy. Uh-oh, I don't tear that up. We got our paste. Clean it with our paste. This is vinegar and baking soda. All natural, y'all. We doing this natural this time. Keeping it natural. Keeping it natural. Ooh, I got that water a little bit too soapy. I be forgetting how. This is the rinse. I call this the rinse. This ain't nothing but hydrogen peroxide and water. And I'm just spraying it down with that. That's the one side. And we spraying it down with the other side. Get back. If I'm not cleaning this out, for you to be making it dirty again with your old cat paws. Get back. That's why I have to put him up in the cage. And I hate to do him like that, but he gets in my way too much. He gets in my way too much. I need some, just some plain water. Ooh, this stuff is so soapy. I think I probably, just do it like that. There we go. Let that scrub across there. Okay, I got to get up in here. Move out the way. Move. Move out the way. Let's see, I got this glass. Let's see. I don't want this to break or nothing. But I need to go up in here and really clean it up in here. Got some stuck on stains in here. I haven't gotten this in a while. I think I'm gonna have to lift this glass up. But I see stains up underneath this glass. Juice or something that fell in here. Okay.